Hello everyone, today we're going to install Windows 2 in VMware. So now we gotta find the Windows 2 floppy disk. There you go. Locate it and then put it into the virtual machine. Click OK. Now we gotta connect it. Now go to the A drive and type in setup.exe and then press enter here. You don't need it Windows 1 or anything. You don't need any other versions of Windows. You just need a DOS system. As always. Yeah. Install it to whatever directory you want. I'm going to keep it the same. Do IBM PC, XT, AT are 100% compatible. Okay, so now you want to do like they put it. Okay, IBM or 100% compatible VGA video graphics array. US keyboard. Microsoft mouse connected to PS2 mouse port. And we should be done. Just click no change. Now it needs to displays disk. This setup program doesn't beep at you. Continue setup and do United States. Now enter the fonts disk. Press enter. And now the desktop applications disk. It's also the right disk. Press enter. Now press F unless you really want to view the README files. That's it. Same as VirtualBox really. Now you can already type win.com to start Windows. No need to do sepper because MS-DOS 7.1 already comes to the sepper entry. Anyway, well, I guess we're done here. Bye. Want to check the Windows version? This is it. It's on the same MS-DOS 7.1 system. Bye.